Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi, your French coach. Je m'appelle Séverine. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi, your French coach. I am Séverine and I'm here to help you with prepping your travel to France. This podcast is dedicated to travelers and beginners. Be more than a tourist. Pronunciation is very important. It will help you with making the right sounds and making sure that people will understand you around you. And I think it's fun to start to learn how to say the French perfumes. As you can hear, I am not an English native speaker and I never took any pronunciation lessons, and I guess I should have. Anyway, I don't want you to wait any longer. For this lesson, actually, you might not need the transcript. The transcript will be on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com, but you could just listen to the lesson and repeat after me. Feel free to follow my Facebook page to get more inspirations and read more content, and have a YouTube channel where you can follow lessons with videos. Are you ready? I'm about to speak French now. Le premier parfum, numéro 5, Chanel. Numéro 5, Chanel. Numéro 5, Chanel. Let's try to do the nu together. Can you hear this sound? Nu. Some of my students didn't hear it. Nu is almost like you want to whistle. Nu. Numéro. So you've got the R sound. The R sound in French is deep in the throat. To do the R sound, you really need to practice gargling. If you gargle every day and you do R, it will come. Numéro 5. 5 is spelled C-I-N-Q. 5. It means 5, and you have this un sound that we talked about before. The un is a closed sound. Your lips are stretched and your mouth is closed. Un. Numéro 5. Chanel. In French, the sound CH makes sh, not ch. Sh. No D sound here. Sh, like short. Chanel. The A in French is high pitch. You want to open your mouth wide. Cha, cha, cha. And then N-E-L makes the sound nel. Chanel. And again, all the sounds are short in French. We don't have short or long. Second perfume is La Vie est Belle de Lancôme. La vie est belle de Lancôme. La vie est belle. It means the life is beautiful. La, high pitch A, la vie, I. La vie est. Est is a closed sound, not e. Okay? You want to have your lips stretch. Est. Belle, to make the sound belle, this time you want to open your mouth wide. La vie est belle. And do you notice that I say la vie? Well, in French, everything has a gender. We don't have neutral. La vie is feminine in French. When a noun is feminine, the article will be at singular la, with the high pitch A. La vie est belle. Est is spelled E-S-T, but you said est, and it means is. La vie est belle de Lancôme. Lancôme is spelled with the funny hat on the O, but it doesn't change anything in the pronunciation. Lancôme, Lancôme. So you have this semi-vowel, the sound en. To make the sound en, your mouth is wide open. En, Lancôme, Lancôme. Great. Now there's another one called J'adore, de Dior. J'adore. It's not j'adore or j'adore. No. 3 short sounds, and the letter J in French makes the sound je, not je. Je. J'adore. J'adore. It means I adore. J'adore. And notice that or sound. Or, j'adore. Your mouth is wide open. It's the same sound that you use when you say au revoir. J'adore, au revoir, or. J'adore de Dior. We didn't say Dior, it's actually one syllable. Dior. J'adore de Dior. There's another perfume, La Petite Robe Noire de Guerlain. La Petite Robe Noire de Guerlain. It means the little black dress. Guerlain is the perfumer. La Petite Robe Noire. So let's listen and let's study. Robe is a dress. It does sound like robe. It has a different meaning in French. La robe is a dress. La robe. And I use la because robe is feminine. La robe. To make the sound A, you want to open your mouth wide. A. La robe. It's almost like when you said robe, but it's not quite the same. La petite robe noire. Now, petite is an adjective. Why do I say la petite robe noire and I don't say le petit robe noire? Petite here is feminine. The adjective in French will change to agree with the noun it modifies. So the noun here is singular feminine. So, la petite robe noire. It will be a masculine singular name. It would be le petit. La petite robe noire. Noir, it's N, noir, wa, with the wa sound. La petite robe noire. Guerlain, Guerlain. In French, the letters ER don't make the sound It's not Guerlain, it's Guerlain. And the sound un is spelled AIN in this case. Again, your mouth is closed and your lips are stretched. La petite robe noire de Guerlain. Great, so now we've learned a lot of different sounds. Now we have another perfume. Libre de Yves Saint Laurent. Libre de Yves Saint Laurent. Libre means free. Libre. L-I-B-R-E. Libre. Again, work on your R. It's not brr. It's not brr. It's brr. 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 It takes some practice. Gargle every day. Try to do that R sound. Libre. Yves starts with the Y letter. In French, Y makes the sound E. Yves. Yves. Saint. We don't say saint. Saint. Because it makes A-I-N makes the sound un, like Guerlain. Saint, Saint. Laurent, Laurent. A-U makes the sound O, and E-N makes the sound en, and we don't pronounce consonant. Yves Saint Laurent. Great. Now there's another perfume from another brand called Hermès. Hermès. We don't pronounce the H. Hermès. And as I told you, ER makes the sound R, not R. Hermès. The perfume by Hermès is 24 Faubourg. 24 Faubourg. 24 Faubourg. 24 means 24. 20. You want to say 24. 24. 24. Faubourg. I hear people saying Faubourg or Faubourg. Really, it is Faubourg. You don't pronounce the G at the end, and then OU makes the sound OU, and AU makes the sound O. You have O, U, O, U. It takes a practice. Some of my students, they don't really hear the difference, but let's try. O, U, O, U. Great. Faubourg, Faubourg. 24 Faubourg de Hermès. 24 Faubourg de Hermès. And then there's another name, a perfume brand from a famous brand, Cartier. Cartier. The name is La Panthère. La Panthère. In French, the TH is hard. The TH doesn't make the, it makes T. La Panthère. We have the en and R. To make the sound R, your mouth is wide open. La Panthère and la, because a panther is always feminine in French. I guess we have male ones, but it's La Panthère. Now, just to pronounce the word perfume, in French, the word is le parfum. Le parfum. Un. The letter UM at the end, you don't pronounce a M sound. Le parfum. Le parfum. And if you want to say eau de toilette, O, E-A-U, eau de toilette, toilette, which is like perfume, but it's a little less strong. Eau de toilette. And for a bottle of perfume, we have a word. A bottle of perfume is un flacon de parfum. Un parfum masculine, le parfum. Le flacon, un flacon. Flacon. You have fla, which is the A, that is very high pitch. You want to open your mouth. Flacon. Con is a semi-vowel. You want to purse your lips together like you make the O sound. On. Flacon. Le flacon de parfum. Of course, we have so many perfumes, so the idea here is to practice consonants and semi-vowels. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre podcast. Here you go. This is the end of our podcast. By now, you know how to say the names of the main French perfumes. I hope that soon we'll be able to travel, and if you come to my country, I hope that you have a great time. And thank you again wherever you are in the world. Merci et à bientôt. Au revoir.
Total de 11 euros, le contrôle 1, porte 18.